Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So did you catch it? The dollar slingshot move higher after Wednesday's FOMC statement. So go back and watch our week ahead Commodity Report. Go back and watch our gold asset of the day where we talk to you through, we built into multiple positions on the dollar index, multiple trades over the course of the last week to benefit from this slingshot move higher that we've seen over a 3% breakout in the course of this week, breaking all the way back out to 1 month highs. We've now subsequently banked over 750 points on the dollar index. So what did we have on Wednesday? Very predictable. 75 basis point interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve, and then also on Thursday from the Bank of England, another 75 basis point interest rate hike. Everything that we detailed out to you on our newsletter and also on the commodity reports too. Very simple playbook for you to take advantage of. We saw initially an impulse move higher on commodities at the start of the week. This is where we banked another 1,000 points on platinum as well, as it broke all the way back out to 3-month highs. As you know, we also banked 400 points on gold when it broke out towards the 1670 level. We did get again that slingshot bounce off the 1630 level. However, we then flipped into the dollar long to capitalize on all of this risk off from the Fed increasing rates by 75 basis points. Now, initially, there was a lot of traps being laid out over the course of this week from the markets, where initially we did get a significant breakout off the back of the initial FOMC statement. However, it was on Jerome Powell's press conference where he stated that they were nowhere near, the Federal Reserve were nowhere near pausing interest rates, and with that, everything tanked and the dollar shot up higher. So I do hope that you've been able to capitalize massively and also bank a windfall amount of profit over the course of this week. Certainly many of you have reached out that we've been calling it absolutely spot on here with the overall exposure we've been building into the dollar in the last week, where most of the market were expecting the dollar to die and to break down significantly lower. When we had a breach all the way down towards the 109 level last week, we talked you through that 109 to 110 level as a great buy opportunity. In fact, our lowest position was at 109.60, and right now we've broken all the way back out towards the 113 level in just a matter of 1 week. So again, I congratulate you if you also caught this massive opportunity over the course of this week. Now, as we go into Friday, we've got non-farm payroll data. Next week, we have the midterm elections on Tuesday. We then have the CPI data next week as well. And of course, we have a public holiday in the USA towards the end of next week too. This is going to provide more back-to-back trading opportunities for you to capitalize on. It's so important right now that you are understanding the importance of learning to trade. Warren Buffett has stated it the best here. In the current environment, learning to trade is the #1 skill you can learn. It's inflation proof and it's also recession proof. We've seen it this month that Google searches for how to trade have been trending. Alongside that, Bloomberg has stated that 1 in 2 people are now looking to trade to take advantage and beat inflation. If you want to earn more, you have to learn more. And this is where improving your skill set and learning to trade is the #1 skill you can have in 2022 and really kick off the end of the year and 2023 with a bang. And this is going to be a fantastic opportunity now for you to set yourself up for the end of the year and 2023 and beyond. Again, this comes down to utilizing a professional, research-driven approach to the market. Ditch those outdated technical analysis strategies and gimmicky technical indicators. You'll just end up getting chopped up all the time. It ends up just being death by 1,000 cuts, and we definitely don't want that for you. It's 2022, the age of data. This is where you need to be utilizing statistics, data, market intelligence. Utilize and learn the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly, real-time, data-driven cycles. Alongside that, utilizing capital flows, intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the major narratives, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the geopolitics, and also, of course, key areas of liquidity. Understand the ranges that markets move in week to week so you can capitalize, sniper in at the lows, and of course, bank your profits with precision at the tops of the cycle, and then further compound that with how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders and learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.